In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Jira, a powerful project management tool that helps teams track and manage their tasks efficiently. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to enhance your workflow, setting up a dashboard can provide you with a centralized view of your projects and tasks. Let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this straightforward process. First, you'll want to access Jira, your go-to platform for managing projects and tasks. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the Jira homepage by entering the Jira URL in your browser's address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to gain access to your personalized Jira workspace. Having your projects and tasks organized in one place will enhance your productivity and keep your team aligned, which is why a customized dashboard is so handy. Once you've successfully logged into Jira, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you will see a variety of menu options. Look for the More tab. This is where you will find a list of additional features and options that Jira has to offer. Click on More, and a drop-down menu will appear showcasing several different tools you can use to manage your projects. From the drop-down menu under More, you'll want to zero in on Dashboard. Click on Dashboard, and you'll be taken to the section where you can view or manage your dashboards. Dashboards in Jira are a fantastic way to visualize your project's progress and quickly access the information you need. From tracking issue statuses to displaying charts and graphs, dashboards offer insights into your data at a glance. Now your next step is to create your dashboard. On the dashboard page, look for the button that says Create Dashboard. Click on it to initiate the process of setting up a new dashboard tailored to your needs. Here you can customize various elements to reflect the specific metrics and data that are most relevant to your team. By doing so, your dashboard becomes a powerful tool that aids in decision-making and progress tracking. And there you have it. Once you've followed these steps, you have successfully navigated Jira to create a new dashboard. This process is not only simple and intuitive, but also incredibly rewarding as it provides you with a comprehensive view of your project's landscape. Remember, effective project management is all about having the right tools at your disposal, and a customized Jira dashboard is certainly one of those tools. With this setup, you and your team can now efficiently keep tabs on your projects and ensure that everything is running smoothly. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and I hope you find your new dashboard helpful in your day-to-day project management activities.